Hey guys, I'm Nicholas McMees, and I'm ready to go to I'm ready to go to Lanisha house. So today I'm going to show you the first double feet. I'm going to show you the sorry about that. Today I'm going to show you my first double VHS unboxing. Toy Story Special Edition and Toy Story 2. So first, I'm going to show you the special edition of Toy Story. And of course, both of those tapes have the THX Broadway logo on it. Which I'm going to do watches the THX Broadway logo on those tapes. So anyways, I'm going to show you Toy Story Special Edition. It's the front, spine, the back, a wonder to behold. And the running time is 81 minutes, and it's rated G. Let's open this up. And here's the tape, which has the blue lid on the top. And here's the print date. And last, I'm going to show you Toy Story 2. I was doing the Toy Story 2 in the nutshell, and I was saying, or should I say Toy Story Da? But let's move on. Here's the front, spine, and the back. And the running time is 92 minutes. Let's open this up. Here's the tape. It has no blue lid on the top. And of course, here's the print date. So that is double VHS unboxing number 1. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Click the like button if you love this video. And click the bell icon to get more of my videos to be uploaded very soon on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.